Thank you for joining us for this episode of Local Fish, Local Flavors. Today we're going to learn how to fillet a whole barramundi. Hold the head of the fish, belly facing up with your non-cutting hand. Be careful when handling the head, the gill plate is really sharp. Remove the pelvic fins by cutting from the back side of the base of the fins towards the head. With the tip of the knife, carefully cut through the belly, starting near the head and running your knife towards the tail, making sure not to puncture any internal organs. When removing the internal organs, take special care not to rupture the gallbladder. The gallbladder is filled with an acidic yellow liquid. If ruptured and the liquid escapes, your fillets will be tainted. Place the fish on your cutting surface with the head facing your non-cutting hand and the belly towards you. Hold the fish's head with your non-cutting hand to steady it. Angle the knife towards the head just behind the pectoral fin and cut down to the backbone. Turn your knife so the blade is facing the tail and use a sweeping motion to cut across the backbone until you reach the tail. Cut through the skin at the base of the tail, releasing the fillet. Flip the fish over so the top of the fish is facing towards you. Hold the head with your non-cutting hand and repeat the process to remove the second fillet. The carcass can be saved or discarded. To remove the bones, place fillets skin side down on your cutting surface. Hold the fillet with the tips of your fingers or a meat tenderizer. Slide the edge of your knife under the ribs and cut along the ribs from the top of the fillet towards the bottom or belly to remove the ribs. The trimmings and bones can be saved for fish stock or soup. To remove the skin, place fillets skin side down on a cutting surface. Secure the tail side of the fillet and cut through the flesh but not the skin. Run the knife with a sweeping motion between the fillet and the skin until the fillet is freed. Repeat the process until you've removed the skin from all of your fillets. Set fillets aside and discard the skin. We'd like to give a special thanks to Hannaloo Farms for illustrating how to fillet a whole barramundi. Happy cooking! We hope to see you soon.